Knowledge is power. Human beings have always learned different skills by observing and experimenting with things. At first, this knowledge was passed to the next generation orally. However, only a few people could gain knowledge in this way. As a result, a lot of knowledge was lost. Slowly, as early humans learned to draw, paint, and write, knowledge was recorded as well as communicated. The story of writing. Early humans drew pictures of animals and other objects that they were familiar with. Many paintings have been found on cave walls in France, Spain, and India. Over time, symbols were used to represent words and sounds. The development of symbols led to the growth of the script. A script is a system of writing. All languages are written in a particular script. The story of numbers. Early humans were hunters-gatherers. They hunted animals and gathered food. For counting, they drew figures, symbols, and dot. The decimal system of counting developed in India. The concept of zero, or sunya, also originated here. From India, it spread to the Arab world. Arabs call the Indian system of numbers Hindsa, meaning of India. Today, this number system, called the Hindu-Arabic system, is used all over the world. The story of paper. The Egyptians were the first to make paper from a reed called papyrus. The word paper is derived from papyrus. For a long time, papyrus continued to be used as writing material. Then the Chinese further perfected the art of making paper. Most probably, it was made from the pulp of bark. Today, the wood pulp is used to make paper. Demand for paper increased when the book began to be printed on printing presses. The invention of printing. From painting on the cave walls, humans slowly developed the art of writing. They started writing on clay tablets, leaves, and skin of animals. Pointed paint-shaped tools made of wood or bamboo were used as writing instrument. Later, writing was done on paper. In the beginning, books were written and copied by hand. It was a very slow process. These handwritten books were also very expensive. Very few people were able to buy and read books. The art of printing developed in China about 1500 years ago. But the method was difficult and thus not popular. Nearly thousands years later, in 1443, the first printing press was built by Johannes Gutenberg of Germany. He used molds of letters of the alphabet to make words, lines, and pages. Ink was supplied on the molds. The frame was then pressed against a soft or smooth surface. The molds could be reset and reused. The Bible was the first book printed on Gutenberg printing press. The printing press was made it possible to make more copies in lesser time and at a much lower cost. So books became cheaper and easily available. Over time, the quality of printing improved. Nowadays, colorful books, magazine, and newspaper are available at a reasonable price. And in today's world, as we're living in, we have our resources online in our digital world everywhere around us. So this shows our involvement and our evolution from writing on the walls and painting on the walls, and at the moment having our notes and books online or having our devices in the moment. This shows our evolvement as a human species and our development of different platform to help us store one thing, knowledge, because we know that knowledge is power. And with this, I have ended my today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video so far. So please do give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe button, and with this, see you the next time. Until then, keep learning and keep living your life to the fullest. Thank you.